Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are very well. So, today we will start this book, Phonics. Let's start. We will start from your Unit 1. This unit we already have done in our previous class, as you all knows. Sounds of these alphabets. Next is vowel and consonants. Word of vowels and consonants. In previous classes you already have done what are vowels and how many letters are in vowels. So we will start from here. The letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. They are 5 in numbers. How many vowels are there? 5. They have two sounds, each short sound and long sound. These vowels are having two sounds. One is short sound and one is long sound. When only one vowel is used in a word, it makes a short sound. जब किसी वर्ड में वॉवल सिर्फ एक साउंड के लिए यूज किया जाता है उसे बोलते हैं short sound. Let us learn short vowel sounds using different word families. A, E, I, O, U. I will explain this long sound and short sound in next unit. In next unit, it is given. It is described. Okay. Then meet the consonants. Except these 5 vowels, other letters are consonants. Like we are having 26 letters in alphabet A to Z, and from that alphabet we will take 5 out of 26. Okay, then consonants are 21. The letters except the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. Okay, हमने ये 5 लेटर्स को छोड़ के जो बाकी के लेटर्स हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट्स. They are 21 in number. Both vowels and consonants make up the English alphabet. Okay, ये vowels और ये consonants दोनों मिलके क्या बनाते हैं? इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट. अल्फ़ाबेट इनको हम लेटर्स बोलते हैं, और जो A to Z है उसको बोलते हैं हम अल्फ़ाबेट. हम अकेले B को अल्फ़ाबेट नहीं बोलेंगे. A to Z is alphabet and this is letters. These are letters. Now unit 2, short and long vowels. What's the difference between short and long vowels? Phonics often talks about short and long vowels. जो phonics है वो हमें क्या बताते हैं? Short और long vowels. As so, the latter are just the extended version of the former. Short form. Short form क्या होती है? जो जैसे हम यहाँ पे हमारे पास है CAT, cat. Its sound is, what is the sound of A? Okay, so in CAT, cat, its sound is coming A. इसका रियल साउंड आ रहा है जो हमें दिया गया होता है. जैसे ये वोवल A है, इसमें इसका साउंड आ रहा है A as in apple. A says A. ओके, इसका साउंड यहाँ पे A आ रहा है. और लॉन्ग वोवल्स में क्या होता है? जो इसका रियल साउंड होता है, जैसे A को हम A बोलते हैं ना, तो यहाँ पे इसका साउंड है वो A आ रहा है. पेपर. Its sound is coming A. Here its sound is coming A. Okay, so this is short form, this is long. See, E is coming here. E sound is A. R-E-D, rat. A. Okay, so here its sound is coming E. E as in B. Okay, did you understand? यहाँ पे शॉर्ट फॉर्म में इसका साउंड जो हम फोनिक्स में सीखते हैं वो इसका सेम साउंड आ रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो अल्फाबेट जो ये लेटर है इसका सेम प्रोनाउंसिएशन इसकी आ रही है। PA पेपर, BE बी, I as in find, FI find, its sound is coming I, real I. O as in go, GO go, its sound is coming O. U as in human, HU human, human. Okay, here its sound is coming U, but here its sound is coming A. Now did you understand? A as in cat, E as in rat, I as in sit, O as in sit, O as in not, U as in bus. Okay, now did you understand what is short sound? And in long sound, the 5 vowels usually called long, and which children are told say their letter name. Here it's coming, sound is letter name. A as in paper, E as in bee, I as in find, O as in go, U as in human. Short vowel sounds, long vowel sounds. CAT cat, elephant, pig, frog, butterfly. These are short sounds. In long vowel sound, whale, its sound is coming A. Bee, sound is coming E. Letter name is coming here. Tiger, 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 sound is coming I. Hippo, O. Mule, U. Now did you understand? So today we will finish here. Other pending part is this. So let's do it. Vowel sounds, short A. Apple, ask, cap. Long A, acron, alien, hay. Short E, egg, empire, bat. Long E, email, eel, feed. Short I, igloo, ink, pig. Long I, ice cream, ice, iron, tie. Short O, octopus, olive, top. Long O, over, orange, low. Short U, umpire, under, cup. Long U, unicorn, use, flute. With this, our 2 units are completed. Okay, so do practice, and if you have any confusion regarding this, you can ask.